Today we will be getting a parent in the game and roasting people in the hospital. We are here. Amazing! I have definitely not seen this 101,929,291,928 times before. What about me? Oh wait, you're not my parent. Weird child, stop looking at me and acting curious why I am crying. You brought Robbie WHH. JOSIDJRWISKDJJRUUJJ. Flower. Just crying. Will this cheer me up? New and Fix me, doctor, not her. She's perfectly fine. By the way, guys, just a fact about me, I post whenever I want and how many a day. Oh girl, stop whining. You got a doctor. Stop, you baby. I will steal your doctor. Plus, you're lucky you got your own personal doctor. Oh. Now you made me SAD. Oh my god, your hair is golden. You're lucky you don't need any treatment unless you want to remove your perfectly fine, beautiful golden hair. Haha, I have purple skin. Light purple is my second favorite color because baby pink is the absolute best color ever for me. No one comes around for me, Fix me, I have purple skin. Did I just teleport? But I will end the video here. Brr, I can't breathe.